But actually, if you analyse the stats, even I think The Independent did an article last week, and they said that there was something like 19 anti-water charge people, 16 pro. Oh, so this was evidence. But what about all of the appearances by Elizabeth Arnett? By, you know, for example, I was listening to Ray D'Arcy on RTÉ radio the other day, and he had on some guy giving advice who basically advised everyone to pay their water charges, you know.
It's the law of the land. It's the law of the land.
Yeah, but no, but I'm just saying these people aren't counted in the statistics. Okay. I mean, there was one piece, I think Colette Brown did a good analysis, where I was interviewed in a debate with Pat Rabbit, but there was a trail of Labour Party people in the preceding video. You know, so they neglect to mention those things.
So call it then, is RTÉ being unfair? Is it being imbalanced in a way?
Well, in the anti-austerity movement, RTÉ would be considered very biased in a pro-austerity fashion. You know, now, personally, I think that they did come late to the table, you know, that they didn't really anticipate. Was it the big October march? I don't think there was a realisation by them that this was such a big movement, you know. People are continually giving out about RTÉ in the anti-austerity, you know,
what do you think?
Campaign.
Has it been unfair?
I think RTÉ has been a bit more balanced of late. Okay. Yeah.
But in what, the last couple of weeks, or just
the last couple of months? Okay. Yeah, since this became such an issue. But I'd say I haven't sat and done an analysis, but I mean, if you look at the print media, I think that would be probably a different story. What
would you say about the print media?
I wouldn't say that they feel the same obligation to show the anti-water charges movement in as balanced a light, you know. I think it's generally been quite biased.